Oh my god. Chad, you gotta buzz me for that one. I'm so good. Honestly, cause like OMG girl. Hold on. Octagon.
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 Never gone.
What? I'm so confusion right now. My game's at 84%. Hell yeah, burp. That wasn't stinks. Titty, nipple. What up, Ivan? How you doing tonight? I wouldn't say coffee art. Wait for my hype train. And the subs, and you guys are just the best, dude. I freaking out there. Wait. Guys, I have something to tell you. Pretending I shouldn't be sleeping. Also, what's going on about? Can you shut the freak up right now? I have to burp. My neck. Nice. Whenever I was little, bro, I played that shit on my PS3. Don't remember shit. Frappuccino, if you're still here, that one was for you. Hold on. You know? I'm smoking right now. I was basically leaving in the woods honey for 2 weeks and there wasn't a shower. What? He's reset? Oh, really? What, from the, okay. Like, herb. Correct. See, like, on Friday. I don't know what hinges. Dude, same Luxie. Me fucking too. What's that guy's name? While I was in the chair, bruh. And I was literally like, what the fuck? Being schizo. $1 million for as a kid? Holy shit. Okay, I'm trying to find a good like clip of me with bangs. Dug anything? A laxative? Huh? Oh, gotta learn ult. Yeah, I know. It was so weird. Never dealt with them? The random ass Minecraft torch. I have a cat named Garfield. Is he orange? Oh, my tummy. Oh my god, vet appointment? I think the no bangs makes me look very back. Oh yeah, there's a fish in the mail. Got are much, to be honest. Huh? You did though? Girl, let's say they're crazy. Clear my path. Good night. Yeah. Or Thursday. Doth my nose? I'm just kidding. She like that answer. Isn't she good? It's what I know. No, I get it because like literally my whole life. Jesus Christ. I literally hate myself firing that shit. Amaranth, I think. Realizing myself. Self feet pics. See, it's just a YouTube video or something. God of War 2018 or Fallout 2018. Which one is that? I don't know. Like, this bitch is a baddie. This Amber Glenn bitch. She's cute. Oh god, that hurt. Fuck. Hold on, there's more, dude. Oh god. Bye. Hey! Did I quack in the interview? What does that mean? What are you guys talking about? Some chowder that squirts stuff on you. I have so many knots in my back right now on the left side. I used to have a little baby camera. A piece of shit now. Thanks. Under my bro, that's how I sit too. Both up right now. That's how me.
No.
You can, yeah, but they're like gonna call the cops because I have to go to Walmart tomorrow. I don't want to go. Me. Okay. I'm getting old. Yeah, I'm literally fucking getting old.
No.
I'm telling their mom. Oh, thank you, AG Poo. I think Flop killed him.
I'm scared.
Oh my god, let me see you, Shugs. Me after a sweep. Guys, I haven't. We're gonna start when I get home. Yeah, but I have to 70 and it's fine. Mountains.
No.
Yeah, I think that's what's happening. Except I'm not playing any games.
No.
Girl, or you and the mom? What's even? Let her dad. Let her know her. I don't feel so good. I remember when I was 24 from that night. Among Us.
No. No. No.
Oh my god.
No.
That's so bad. Easy. Happy tree months. Oh, happy tree months, sweetheart. Eat, bruh.
No.
Or sometimes it'll be a little later than that because I'm not hungry, but. I didn't mean to throw it, okay? I swear.